This is personal pronoun. When I'm talking about pronoun, it's a pronoun that deal with someone. You get what I'm saying now? It's divided into three. We have the first person. When I'm talking about the first person is the speaker. For example, if you are narrating a story, if you are one, if you notice very well, you use the language I, isn't it? And if you are using that subjective pronoun to be what? Me. That means one. That is what? First person singular one. But I think we are many here. For example, now, if I want to talk, I'll say I am in what? JSS 1. I, because I'm one. We are I'm the speaker. Then if we are much, like 2 to infinite, we say we are in what? JSS 1. That is first person singular and first person plural. Then we have the second person. The second person is the person you are talking to. If I'm talking to you now, I use you throughout, isn't it? Anything that make me to use he, she, definitely I'm telling you about somebody. I cannot use you for somebody I'm talking about. So when you see the pronoun you, is the second person. That is the person the speaker is talking to. For example, I will say you, and you does not have plural. If one person offends me, I'll tell you, you offended me yesterday. And if everyone offends me, I will tell you, you offended me yesterday. You does not have plural. There's nothing like use. Then we have third person pronoun. That is when you talk about singular. Now I want to describe somebody to you now. I want to talk about somebody. I'll tell you, she is a thief. Do you get what I'm saying now? She is a what? Thief. It means singular, isn't it? But if they are more, I'll tell you, they are thieves. That means they are more than what? One. That is what? Third person plural. Do you get what I'm saying now? Yes. They want to talk about reflexive pronoun. This one reflects your action. That is why I told you the other time, you cannot fight yourself. You can only do things yourself. Like for example, you wash your clothes yourself, you wrote your assignment yourself. Do you get what I'm saying now? Yes. So we have myself, ourselves, yourself, yourself, themselves, ourselves, and itself. Then we have reciprocal pronoun. When I'm talking about reciprocal pronoun, this means exchange of action. You know when you reciprocate an action. You do me, I do you. Do you get what I'm saying now? So that means of what? Reciprocal pronoun. And we have two types of reciprocal pronoun. We have each other and one another. If an action is going on between two people or two objects, we have what? Each other. Like please, don't fight each other. Tunde and Kenny or Mr. Jarrett, Tunde and Kenny are causing each other. But if it's one another, then you say, Mr. Jarrett, the whole class are copying one another. That is from 3 to millions. Infinity. When I say infinity, it means it is endless, limited. Then demonstrative pronoun. Now, this one talks about distance between two objects. Do you guys say now? What is and start again? Down, down.